Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 26th of May. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Yesterday saw that band of rain. If you picked up on, you might have been on social, TikTok, X, Instagram, any of the things that I throw all this weather forecast stuff up on. And I said that this may hold together, and indeed it did. So we had that little batch of showers between about 9:30 and 11 o'clock in the morning, and then eventually we cleared out, and it turned out to be a great second half of the afternoon and evening yesterday. Also fairly expected. Pretty warm as well. We got into the 70s, and we knew that would happen. Now, today and tomorrow are nice days. We're basically in the low to mid 80s, maybe some upper 80s tomorrow. Feels a little bit humid tomorrow, and then a front comes through, and that's going to maybe bring a shower thunderstorm. And then we're cooler Thursday and Friday, only in the low 70s on Thursday, upper 60s on Friday. And right now, the weekend looks cool, only in the 60s on Saturday, with a couple of showers on that day possible as well. So the jet stream is just going to undergo this configuration where it's going to allow this cooler air to come in here later on this week, and that's why this warm weather that we're going to see the next couple of days just does not last. We are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. Still plenty of time to put in those warm weather crops. I suspect they were absolutely mobbed over the weekend, but you'll be able to get some tomatoes and peppers and eggplants and all that other stuff if you head over there. Also, your annuals can still go in. It's only the 26th of May. Still plenty of time to do that. Have a great morning, everybody.